Hey everyone, so today we are at Kailash Colony main market. We are showcasing to you a fully furnished cafe space that is absolutely ready to serve. So Kailash Colony market, is popular for the younger crowd owing to the fact that it is in closest proximity to all the colleges and popular institutes in South Delhi. So this place is running a small multi-cuisine cafe specializing in Oriental, Italian, continental and Indian cuisines. It is spread across 800 square feet area. The design of the space is urban and the lighting very ambient. The place has been designed in such a way keeping in mind the young crowd. Space already has flooring, a very well designed false ceiling with cassette air cons, a fully equipped kitchen and seating which can accommodate up to 40 packs anytime. It is an ideal opportunity for anyone looking to start a cafe instantly in one of the posh locales of South Delhi. Call us for many more such options across the entire NCR region. Now let me give you a cinematic tour of the place for you to understand the dynamics of the area. So this space is right adjoining Juggernaut restaurant, which attracts a lot of footfall through the day and will act as a catalyst to the space as well. This market has quite a few popular restaurant or cafe brands such as Uncultured, Big Chill, Maxims, Confidential, Snook House, etc.